Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need admin rights, so sign in and close apps that might lock search resources. First, open Task Manager and find Search Host or Search UI. Right-click and restart it to clear transient hangs. Once done, open PowerShell as administrator because you'll run a safe repair sequence that fixes corrupted search components. This avoids reinstalling unrelated apps and saves time. Make sure Windows updates are paused only if they interfere. Otherwise, leave updates to run after these checks. With PowerShell open, run dism to repair the system image, then run sfc to restore protected files because search depends on those components. If search still fails, run the PowerShell reinstall command that removes and reinstalls the Windows search feature to replace broken binaries and reset registrations. This addresses deeper corruption or bad updates. Once that completes, restart Explorer or sign out and back, so the shell picks up the restored search service and indexes. Finally, rebuild the search index from indexing options to let Windows recatalog files. This resolves missing results. After rebuilding, reboot and test search for apps and files. If search still misbehaves, create a new local administrator account to check whether your profile is corrupted, since a fresh profile isolates user-specific issues. If everything else fails, boot into safe mode and repeat the reinstall. That helps identify driver or third-party conflicts that block search services from starting properly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.